Here I'd like you to meet Indomitus. That was the name given to this by the Diesel brothers. And that name means fierce or wild. And that is definitely what this Ford F-550 has turned into. That's right, this truck started out as a Ford F-550 and obviously has had a ton of custom work done to it. It was actually built for the Minnesota Soybean Research Council as a promotional vehicle of theirs. Obviously it is a diesel powered vehicle, so it's to promote their biodiesel program here in the state of Minnesota. It is powered by a 6.7 liter V8 turbo diesel underneath the hood here. I believe 700 and some foot-pounds of torque those put out. That's paired with an automatic Ford transmission with select shift. But you can see the customization that's been into this. The bumpers are flog bumpers. This is a true 6x6 drive truck also. You can check out the build of this truck also on a Diesel Brothers episode, Season 4, Episode 4. They'll show you how they did a custom rear 4-link suspension with airbags back there that are adjustable. Also has Bilstein shocks on it. Rough stuff suspension parts. That's what went into this. This is a custom PPG paint. I believe it is Giverny Green is what the name of it was. You can see the name Indomitus up in the top of this, almost like a visor. It gives it a military grade look up around that windshield there. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, check out the interior of the bed, and I'll get around back by the bed and kind of explain what went on back there some too. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or give us a call too. It may be easier for us to explain what we know about this truck being offered for sale. 507-386-1726. This bed is actually approximately an 11-foot bed that was custom built and fabricated back here. It does have a rhino liner to it. Obviously you can see the headache rack back here. Now it has a tonneau cover on, but it is a rhino liner back there. Like I said, this bed is approximately 7 feet long. Fiberglass bedsides here were custom fabricated also for this truck. Sorry I can't get a little further away from it, but the building that we do our videos and pictures in here takes up a lot of room in here. So if you're looking for a truck that nobody else has, this is the one right here. And it is functional. It has a 5th wheel ball hitch in the back of it. Like I said earlier, there's adjustable airbags in the back here as far as pulling. If you're pulling a large cigarette style boat or whatever you may be towing with this thing, it is fully adjustable suspension in the rear. The front has also been lifted 7 inches to match the rear stance and ride height. Everybody that's driven this truck actually say it drives out very, very nicely. There's the flog rear bumpers custom to it. But anyway, a custom still 11 foot approximately, the length of that bed back here. Like I said, it has the fiberglass bed sides. 40-inch tires on this vehicle. Get a look at these. It's like DBL design wheels. And I believe the axles were military grade axles. We'll try to get some underside pics of this for you too, so you can check out the suspension and how everything works. And with the 6x6 true drive, as you can see, the paint has a great look to it. Very, very nice color in this truck. We'll try to get some underside so you can check out the underside pictures of this too. And once again, Unique Classic Cars is where they can be seen at. And once again, this was on Season 4, Episode 4, the Diesel Brothers build for the Minnesota Soybean Research Council. I'm going to go ahead and show you the interior. So here you kind of get back to the stock F-550 and everything on the inside. Cloth interior, split bench up front, Power boards, obviously, to help getting into this. I believe it's a little over 12,000 miles on it. Let's pile up in here and take a look. 12,823. I don't know if you can see that. So it's 12,823. A little darker to be able to see in here, but a few custom controls for that. Rear suspension, where it's adjustable, are in here, but other than that, pretty stock interior. Steering wheel controls, which you'd find on a Ford F-550, obviously. Custom lighting, again, power board, retracts. I'll take a little peek down my list and just give you another rundown of what's going on here. If I missed anything, again, tandem rear axles, custom rear 4-link suspension with airbags. Rough stuff suspension parts was used underneath. 40-inch tires, speed lock wheels. Again, a custom steel bed was fabricated back here, approximately 11 foot. That was a Vical visor by Fab 4 when we were talking about up front where it has the Indomitus name on it. Like I said, flog bumpers, PPG paint, and again, powered by the 6.7 liter V8 turbo diesel. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up too so you can hear this thing run. Here's the suspension control that I was talking about right here, kind of below the dash. As far as controlling the level, if you had much weight on the back of it, wanted to control the level, front to rear. Nice sounding diesel. I'll slip around to the other side of the exhaust is actually coming out. I'll give you one last look around this beauty. Once again, our number is 507-386-1726. Unique Specialty in Classic Cars is the name of our business. Our website where you can check out all the still pictures of this beauty, uniqueclassiccars.com. One-off build here of a Diesel Brothers truck, Season 4, Episode 4. You want to have the one and only, this is it. No others like it out there. Custom built truck, absolutely beautiful. Give us a call, look forward to hearing from you.